G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Verve Viper phone mount. I've been so impressed with my motorcycle mount, I got a new one for the car. I've given this a really good test out lately. I've been riding some very rough tracks. The phone has not moved at all. The vibration dampener works well and it's very easy to mount and dismount the phone. So let's have a look at the mount and get it assembled. First up, we'll take a look at the phone mount itself. So there's our new mount. Vibration dampener. Double socket. So far that's all exactly the same as the bikes. And this is our mount, which will be different of course. Okay, so we'll fit the ball up to the base. $12mm spanner. So we'll fit the vibration dampener up to the mount. Allen key through the hole. You'll see the blue on there is Loctite. Just make sure that square fits into the hole. That's it. So there should be no gap in there. So that one's nice and tight. Take the longer screw through the ball. Again, it's got some Loctite on it, and we screw that into the bottom of the vibration dampener. So next we'll fit the double socket arm, fit it over the balls. Now we wind the Allen key in till it's tight. Lock it in place with the grub screw and then tighten with the handle. The idea of this is you can't unscrew it and have the balls come out. Especially important for motorbikes and mountain bikes. You don't want to, you don't want people to easily steal your phone mount. So to mount it, place it on a flat surface. Throw the lever around to on position, and we're on. Phone on, that can spin. So I'm holding that up by the phone. To remove it, we throw the lever around to off position, and if need be, you pull the little ear, off it comes. Righto, let's go put it in the car. To mount the phone, just push it straight on, easy. Now to remove it, just push the lever and pull it off. I have a universal adapter on this phone. They do make cases for some iPhones. Now I can easily go from one car to the other. To the bike. Beautiful. So if you'd like to know more, there's a link in the description below and there's also a code for 15% off. Thanks a lot for watching, I'll see you next time.